Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Jeff. Today we're going to be discussing two of my favorite ceiling products, the Silicone 1 Tub and Tile and the Silicone 2 Plus Kitchen and Bath.
Many of the specs we will discuss apply to both products, but a few of the key differences are Silicone 2 Plus sealant cures faster and adheres better to surfaces with high-end finishes. This is why today we will only be working with Silicone 2 Plus sealant, but every step of this process can be repeated using the Silicone 1 Tub and Tile sealant.
The GE Silicone 2 Plus Kitchen and Bath Sealant is an amazing 100% silicone sealant, which offers 10-year product protection against stain-causing mold and mildew. This product has excellent adhesion to a variety of surfaces, including ceramic tile, metal, laminates, glass, porcelain, and granite, as well as wood, plastic, and vinyl.
It also has a 30-minute exposure to water and tack-free time, which means you won't have to wait a long time before using that shower or sink. Also, if you are sensitive to odor, Silicone 2 Plus sealant does have low odor when compared to the Silicone 1 product, which has a more vinegar-like odor.
You can seal tiles, tubs, sinks, and more. It's amazing how many things you can seal with this product.
Don't forget to mention, it exceeds current ASTM C920 Class 25 specifications, and that's because it's permanently flexible, shrink-proof, and crack-proof.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about our GE Silicone 2 Plus Kitchen and Bath Sealant and Silicone 1 Tub and Tile.
See you next time, and remember, GE branded sealants are the confident choice for your project needs.